Hey guys, it is Monday morning here in West Virginia, and you know what time it is? It's time for MOPAR Monday at Mr. Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge. So what we're taking a look at today is a brand we haven't done for quite a while. It's Greenlight, and we've got a couple MOPARs from Greenlight to show you. Both are B-bodies. They are Coronets from the mid-60s. One is a really old release, and one's a newer release. We'll start with this older release. And I'm going to show you one that I do have for sale too, because I had to buy it along with this one. This is your 1965 Dodge Coronet 500. And love the old like teal blue color with the color coordinated sillies with the dog dish caps and such. Very cool looking car. Would like to get a few more of these 65 Coronets in like stock looking colors or stock looking wheels. This is from the Muscle Car Garage series from back in 2008. So this is 15 years old. And this is from the Stock and Custom series. So I have the custom version of this car. That's the one that I want to get rid of. I want to trade it for either another stock looking 65 Coronet or even 66 or 7 Coronet, or pretty much any Mopar, but preferably would like to get some more older like 60s like Coronets and such. But here he is. We're going to get him out of the box and take a look at him, and then we are going to show you the custom one that we have for sale, and then we will unbox this one, but not the custom. So let's go ahead and get him out of the package. I've already cracked the back of it. I opened these from the back, so that way if you do ever want to display them again in the package, you can. You just kind of cut along the edge in the bottom, and the back pills up nicely, and you can just pull the car right out. So there you are. Nope. So this has diecast on diecast, as always with Greenlight. Well, I don't know about nowadays, but back in their beginning, the cars were made really nice and such. The quality control is much better than it is nowadays. These do have a plastic roof because they do use this casting as their convertible variant too. I think the post variant is available also, pretty sure. And I believe it's a plastic roof. But as you can see, very nicely detailed. And let's go ahead and zoom in a little on him so we can show you. So, nice detail on the taillight panel. Side trim is there, door handles and such, the fender bezels, nice detailed grille, opening hood, nice detailed engine. A little bit small. Greenlight's always done that, made really small engines. M2 does that on some of their castings too, but Greenlight does it a lot on theirs, where the engines just look too small. Like the color-coded interior, where it's also like a teal blue, gives it a very cool appearance of like a true mid-60s car. This is one of those castings that had like a little bit too wide of a tire on it, but still yet not too bad. Looks cool sitting in a diorama and from the side shots. So I do dig this casting, would like to get more of these 65 Coronets. So we'll put him down there. And now I will show you, this is the one on the contrary, the custom variant of it. As I said, we're not going to crack this one because I'm trying to get rid of this. It's not really my speed, not what I'm trying to do with my Dio. I'm trying to stick with all stock looking vehicles. So this one I will trade for a stock looking 65 Coronet or even a 67 from Greenlight. Those are the two preferable castings. Also looking for like some 68 to 70 Chargers from Greenlight, or even like the 71 Charger from Greenlight, or even M2. So just if you have something to trade, let me know, or I can sell it for say $8 plus the ride to your place. So pretty cool looking, that purple and white two-tone with Krager wheels, white interior, nice casting. As we just seen, same casting, just custom looking paint. So anyways, and it is vintage. It is from 2008, and that is about 15 years old now. So the next one is a newer release. This one's from 2021, and this is from your GL Muscle. And let me zoom back out here. There we go. So, this is your 1967 Dodge Coronet RT Hemi, the first year for the RT. And this is a pretty cool casting in that dark green that we see a lot on like the mid-60s Mopars. This is like 1 or 2 years right before the release of the high impact colors from Mopar. So this is GL Muscle Series 25, and as I mentioned, this is from 2021. So it gives you a list on the back what else was in the series. I think the other one did too, but we didn't go over it. This one I'm not going to read off either. This is just the only classic Mopar in the lineup. They did have a Dodge Durango in this series, but I'm not really doing anything with the modern Mopar. And this also I cut from the back. As you can see, it flips up like a door, kind of. And then you just pull him out. And these are still reusable later on if you want to display your cars in their package. So let's zoom in so we can really get a nice look at the details here. Really cool car. Love this casting. Nice RT badge on the side. And the trim around the windows, door handles, rocker trim and such. And it has red line tires with the Magnum 500 style wheels. This is also a plastic roof because they use these castings also as a convertible. Nice detail on the tail lights and tail light panel, RT emblem, and the Dodge emblem there. And then the front. The front is a disappointment, and I'm surprised they have not fixed this yet. It has the right flat grille, has headlight detail, the RT badge is there, but there's no lines painted in the grille. It's just bland, flat silver. That's the only downside of this casting is the lack of grille detail, and I don't know why they haven't fixed that over the 15 years that this casting has been out. Maybe it's more like 10 or 12 years. The 65 Coronet came out first in their debut, and then the 67 was not too far behind. So yeah, disappointed in that they have never improved the grille detail. Now this has opening hood and detailed engine, and this is the Hemi as it said on the package. And as you can see, it has wider valve covers, and they're painted black as the stock Hemis would have been, orange block with black valve covers, chrome air cleaner. So they did a nice job representing the Hemi. So that's it for the 67, and it is metal base and such, and it is a nicely detailed car. This, I didn't even look to see if there was a number anywhere on it. Sometimes the older ones were numbered. Nowadays, they don't really number any of them. And yeah, I think it is numbered up there. Number 587. So yeah, I'm not sure how many they made of these, but they were much more limited back then than they are nowadays. There's probably only a few thousand, like maybe 3,000 to 5,000 of the 65 from 2008. And then the 67, there's probably, I don't know, probably upwards of 50,000 of them out there, I would say. So there you have it, guys. There's our MOPAR Monday with Greenlight. I will be back again, actually, tomorrow with a thing that we usually don't do. Ethan picked up a very cool little tractor from Erdl, and I'm going to unbox it. It was actually a gift from our local auto parts store. They gave it to him the other week when we were there. So I want to do a shout out to them, and I want to show you guys this casting because it's pretty cool. So we will do that tomorrow for Tractor Tuesday, something that will be like a one-off video. So anyways, guys, enjoy the start to your week, and we'll see you tomorrow.